is Ruby Pyle and I'm studying Level 3 Hospitality Management at Cardiff and Vale College. I'm enjoying the course, because it's opened loads of opportunities to me, things that I never could have imagined to do like a year ago, and it's made me really excited for my future. There's been a few opportunities and achievements that have stood out for me since starting college. I've been entered in 3 competitions. The one is Nestor Talk Door, which I got to the semi-finals, Skills Competition Wales, and I'm currently undertaking the World Skills. I've also had distinctions in all project work, theory, practical. So yeah, it's made me feel like this is what I need to do now. This is my future. I chose to study at Cardiff and Vale College because school just wasn't sort of for me. I struggled with friendship groups. I wasn't really interested in most of the subjects. Nothing really made me motivated or anything like that. So I saw Cardiff and Vale College online, and they had a selection of courses and opportunities, and I've never looked back since. After my course, I plan to progress on to Level 4. I think it's more management to do with, but after that, I'm just seeing where college takes me, but I'm going to try and go as far as I'm capable of doing. The college is helping me achieve my goals, because I've already achieved so much already, and most of that is down to my teacher, Richard, who's helped me and pushed me far to do and take all these opportunities that I've done.